And hello everybody, we're finally back with a few new tutorials. So today we'll be doing HTML5 for the first time, guys. Now this is saved on the same way that an HTML would be saved. So you don't have to worry about like changing the background or the extension to like HTML5 or something, because as you will see right now, it is saved as .html. So yeah, right there it says .html. You don't have to do anything special. The only thing that changes HTML from HTML5 inside of the code that will allow you to like add HTML5 attributes and stuff to HTML here will be the doc type HTML. Now this is extremely important and you must remember this. If you don't remember this, then you won't be able to do HTML5. Okay guys, this is what allows you to do HTML5. If this isn't at the top of your page, you can't do HTML5. It will see your file that you want to add as unsupported, unless the file is supported in HTML, which is the beginner step. We are now a little bit more advanced and we'll be going in a little bit deeper. Now here are a few things that you'll start learning in the new HTML5 course. Okay, so there are article, assign, audio, canvas, data list, details, embed, footer, header, nav, output, progress, section, video. Now I'm not going to explain what all of these are just yet. They will be explained in future videos and you'll understand more about them later on. Now creating the HTML body, like you remember last time, head, body and all of that, the mains are pretty much the same, basically exactly the same. For example, head is still head, inside there's still title, and then there's body. Later on we'll get a little bit in deeper and we'll add things like the header, the footer, the side, those things will make the body be a little bit bigger. And also one thing you're going to have to start doing to make your code a little bit better is you have to start indenting your code. This means whenever you're like inside, let's say the head tag or the body tag, you press tab and it will shoot the text forward a bit so you can see what is inside of what. Now every time you put something inside of two tags, opening and closing, you do that unless it's like a p tag where there will only be text. Like as you can see with my title, everything is going to be inside of there. Now this is actually all up to you. You don't have to do this, but it is highly recommended that you do, since it's good practice. Because if you can do this, then you'll look like a more professional programmer in the future when you know like JavaScript and stuff. People look for your code and be like, wow, this guy's code looks beautiful, And thank you guys, that's all I wanted to say for this video. Come watch me in the next tutorial. Sayonara.